With my English accent and this luscious greenery all around, you could be forgiven for thinking we're in an English countryside instead of the wonderful suburb of South Penrith. Even the front lounge with its warm colour tones and charm enables the TV to be switched off to gaze and ponder out through the dining room's picture window. The owner's meticulous, caring nature and contemporary style continues through the home with purposefully chosen pieces, such as this quantum quartz bench top that doubles up to scatter light throughout the home. 3 spacious bedrooms also providing plenty of natural light, and how about this luxury bathroom with enamel steel bath? Panoramic windows enabling you to relax and unwind, gaze out through the fruits of your labour, especially when that English style rain comes through. Today's climate sees many needing to work from home, and couples can both enjoy independent work office spaces with rear view aspects to gaze out from. I was excited to start with this magnificent established garden, as it's wonderful to see the homes purposefully being designed to allow every opportunity to gaze out at its splendid serenity. A charming home, I'm sure you'll agree. I'm Trevor Holmes from Star Partners. Give me a shout if you'd like further information. I look forward to seeing you soon.